Hey guys, we're live at 9:02, and we are battling for Wayne's Chewbacca. Well, looks like a 47 back there, I'm assuming. 57 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy him there. 47 back Chewy. AFA 80. I'm sorry, this is a mini. Top 3. Looks like win spots at a main. I'm going to paste the list in here. 57 spots. Just to adjust this a little bit. There's a Chewbacca mini. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We got a 9. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Beetlejuice, round 1. Matt 2. Matt 3. Matt 4, he's on a roll. Beetlejuice 5. And 6. And 7. Matt Johnson, round 8. And our winners are Beetlejuice and Matt Johnson. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code. And official results. DLSYKO. There you have it. I'm done. At 9:03. There it is. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.